What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian. We are in a different location. We are in California. We wrapped up Club BRP, revealing all the 2025 models and all the new models on Can-Am, and just a lot of just new features. And y'all should check those videos out. Go to Seadoo's website if you want to check out what's going on, what's new on the models, and what new features that they added. Today we are having a special event. We are riding from Long Beach to Catalina, and it's not just with Uncharted Society. You've seen the videos before. A link will be up here above the screen, but this is the first ride of Seadoo Social Club. Now, what's Seadoo Social Club? It's basically an area or community rides or just meetups where like-minded people that love PWCs can get together. And it's not just Seadoo. If you're riding a different brand, feel free to come on out and just hang out. It's just getting the community together. So more information will be down in the link below, so you can go and check it out. And of course, y'all want to stay tuned because we could be coming to your city or a city near you. So right now, I just launched and we've been bringing my motorhome everywhere for this 4-week tour that we'll be doing to Catalina Island for the next 3 days, to Lake Mead, Lake Mojave, and Lake Powell, and then Zion. Adam Sports just met me at the boat ramp, helped me launch because, man, that ramp is pretty steep and, you know, it looks a little slippery at the end, and I don't want my motorhome in the water. So always use caution, especially if you're gonna be trying to get into towing with motorhomes and RVs. But don't be scared because it is an amazing journey and adventure, especially when you can bring your own home with you and be on the road. It's another way to level up your experiences and your adventure. So there's about 60 riders supposed to be on this ride today. We've got 3 Seadoo ambassadors on this ride. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Dan, they came all the way from Chicago. I thought it was only Californians were gonna be here.
Oh no,
and they support the channel. Gotta go all the way out.
We heard you, Adam, everybody was here. We came in, we flew in last night.
And they're gonna be in my group number 4, the best group. So I'm here with Adam, but we're not in the same group. He's in group 3.
Yeah, I've got to go out right now. But I hear you fast, so you should be able to catch me up.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully they'll let me just, you know, rip around everywhere.
Well, I'm on a 170. What are you on?
A 325.
Easy money.
But I can only go as fast as your tour guide. Safety first.
That's true, that's true.
All right, well, we're gonna see him out more on the water, and hopefully I can get some footage of him side by side. The Seadoo RXTX 325. We get a nice view of this ship that looks like the Titanic, and then you got the Carnival Cruise Line and the rest of the groups coming. So we are split up for today in groups of 15. There are 5 groups. We are rolling deep today. So hopefully we're gonna see a bunch of dolphins and sea lions and show everybody a good time. Look at that. Yep. It's always a guarantee that these lazy guys will be here just sunbathing, hanging out. Ooh, they're sleeping. It's so beautiful to see animals in their natural habitat. How's it going?
It's impossible not to have a good time.
Of course.
Literally impossible.
It's good? Yeah. You check out the sea lions? So we made it here to Catalina Island, and I think this is the area where the cave is at. I'm not gonna go in today, but these guys are. Here's some clips of me going through the cave during the last time I was at Catalina Island. The tour guides drop you off near the entry and then you just swim around. And if you've never been through the cave, I highly recommend you to experience it one time because it is something different. And when you come out, there's places for you to stand sometimes, so I recommend you to have some shoes on. The water is so beautiful underneath, and it's clear. There's a lot of kelp, and sometimes you can even see some fish. So when you're done, the tour guides come and pick you up at the end of the cave, so you don't have to swim back. So how was it? That was cool. It's cool, huh? That's what I was telling people, you gotta do it at least once. Yeah. Yep. Check that off. Here's another good tip. Always have your camera ready because you never know who's gonna pop up. Look at these two guys that just came out of nowhere and just wanted to come and say hi. Now it's time to head to Two Harbors. Up to Two Harbors. Two Harbors offers a host of activities for the outdoor lovers of all kinds. Many people come here to enjoy hiking, mountain biking, camping, kayaking, boating, fishing, and even snorkeling. Now time to anchor this bad boy and have some fun on the island. All right, look how clear it is right here. It's so pretty. Look at that. So we just finished up here at Two Harbors in Catalina Island, and we're going to be heading back soon. Look at this water. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I got 2 more days of this. Long Beach, California. Here we come. Woo-hoo! right, y'all, so we're back on land. Oh my gosh, it was a little rough, I'll give that, but it was so worth it. Luckily we got a little bit smooth water on the way there, so it's good. So now we're off to the happy hour party. I have to say, the first ever Seadoo Socials Club event was freaking amazing. It was great meeting and riding with California locals that support the channel, and overall being able to be part of several people's first time experience going to Catalina Island. And what a great way to end the event with a happy hour party. It gave me a chance to chat it up with other riders and hear others' experiences on the water. Overall, this is what it's all about. Getting the community together and sharing their love for PWCs, no matter what brand you ride. Oh, and let me not forget a huge shout out to Seadoo for the awesome swag bags everyone went home with. If you think you would like to come to one of these events, check out the link below in the video description. But until next time, see you guys on the water.